ever feel like your meals just sit there in your stomach, heavy, bloated, and draining your energy? It's something many of us go through. As we move through midlife, digestion doesn't always work the way it used to. But before you reach for another supplement, know this: your body already holds the wisdom it needs to heal. In this video, I'll share how simple enzyme-rich foods can gently support your digestive system, helping you absorb more nutrients, feel lighter after meals, and reclaim your natural energy. And if you're new here, I'm Dr. Gayla Gorman, a licensed acupuncturist, naturopath, and author of What's Your Kryptonite? If you'd like to use complementary medicine, you'll need help talking to your doctor. You can get my free guide, How to Talk to Your Doctor So They Listen. Just comment guide or go to drgayla.com/links. On this channel, I'm here to help you reverse the effects of chronic stress so that you can cruise through midlife and beyond symptom-free, so that you can put an end to common midlife symptoms like chronic fatigue, insomnia, mood swings, issues with gut health, and even weight gain. Digestive enzymes are the unsung heroes of your gut health. They quietly go to work every time you eat, helping your body break down food so it can absorb the nutrients needed to thrive. From the first bite to the final stage of digestion, enzymes ensure your body can transform what you eat into energy, repair, and resilience. Enzymes begin breaking down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats as soon as food enters your mouth, continuing their work all along the digestive tract. In fact, digestion actually starts in your mouth. Each type of enzyme, amylase, protease, lipase, plays a specific role in processing a particular macronutrient. When enzyme production is low, even healthy meals can leave you bloated, tired, or undernourished. If this topic speaks to you, you'll definitely enjoy another video on my channel where I share more about digestive health after 40, herbal solutions that actually work. The link should pop up right here on your screen, and if you miss it, no worries, I've included it in the description below. Now that you understand just how vital digestive enzymes are for breaking down food and fueling your body, it's time to explore how you can naturally support these hardworking helpers. Rather than reaching for supplements right away, let's look at simple everyday foods that can boost your enzyme levels and keep your digestion running smoothly. It's worth exploring what nature already provides. Your daily meals can become powerful allies in restoring digestive balance, especially when they include foods that naturally support enzyme activity. These simple additions can make a noticeable difference in how you feel after eating. Tropical fruits like papaya, pineapple, and mango offer enzymes that assist in breaking down protein and easing the digestive load. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kefir, kimchi don't just support gut bacteria, they also help your body produce more of its own enzymes. When enzyme-rich foods become part of your regular routine, they gently support nutrient absorption and reduce that heavy, sluggish feeling after meals. I'll give you a few more practical ways to boost your digestive enzyme levels in just a moment. But it's also important to realize that relying solely on supplements can introduce risks that many people overlook. Weight and fat accumulation is one of the countless ways stress creates symptoms and other health issues, especially during midlife. I created a video that shows you how to eliminate symptoms naturally, so I'll make sure to link to it below this video. But make sure you hit subscribe too, because I share a lot of tips when it comes to dealing with stress that's become toxic. Relieving the nasty symptoms stress creates makes cruising through midlife a breeze. And remember, you can get a free copy of Talk to Your Doctor So They Listen. Just comment guide or go to drgayla.com/links. Let's turn our attention to one of the most important and often overlooked aspects of supporting your digestive health: understanding when enzyme supplements are truly necessary and how to use them wisely. While natural foods can work wonders, there are times when your body may need a little extra help, and that's where careful, informed supplementation comes into play. Let's break down the key considerations and precautions so you can make the best choices for your unique digestive needs. Digestive enzyme supplements can be helpful, especially when the body isn't producing enough on its own. But like any intervention, they're not one size fits all. Taking enzymes without understanding your unique needs can do more harm than good. It's always wise to proceed with awareness and guidance. Relying too heavily on supplements may interfere with your body's natural digestive rhythm and disrupt the delicate balance of gut flora. Before adding any enzyme supplement to your routine, you need to make sure that you've identified which enzymes are deficient based on what you're experiencing with digestive issues. It can be helpful to get some personalized guidance to make sure you're supporting and not overriding your body's wisdom. By paying attention to subtle symptoms of deficiency and understanding the potential risks, you can make confident, informed choices that align with your long-term gut health. A 2023 article from Biomedicine and Pharmacotherapy evaluated the effectiveness and safety of digestive enzyme supplementation in adults with functional indigestion. Participants who received a multi-enzyme blend for 2 months experienced significant reductions in this condition and the accompanying symptoms. They also experienced better sleep quality and improved quality of life compared to the placebo group. The supplementation was well tolerated with no significant side effects reported. So improved digestive symptoms and quality of life include notable relief in abdominal pain and discomfort as measured by standard clinical questionnaires, leading, as I mentioned before, to an enhanced feeling of overall well-being. The intervention group also reported better sleep scores, suggesting that there's a positive connection between symptom relief and nightly rest, which may contribute to better daily functioning. No adverse events or significant changes in clinical parameters were found, so this indicates that the multi-enzyme blend is a safe strategy for the management of functional indigestion. So taking an enzyme blend, particularly if you do that short term, just to sort of improve your overall digestion, can be really helpful. I consider short term to be a few weeks to a maximum of a few months. I never recommend taking anything long term. We're just trying to remind our body of what it's designed to do naturally. And if your best efforts to live a healthy lifestyle and do all the things you've been led to think are supposed to work aren't getting the job done, you may even be feeling like you take 2 steps forward and 3 back. Remember, you can get my free guide, How to Talk to Your Doctor So They Listen. Just comment guide or go to drgala.com/links. And in my next video, I'll show you how to manage the toxic stress that's sabotaging your efforts. You can eliminate the symptoms that seem to be piling up in midlife naturally without medication, crazy diets, intense exercise, or any other unsustainable lifestyle hack.